How to save the videos from CapCut to gallery. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and today I will show you how you can save any videos from CapCut to library. Watch this video till the very end to know how you can do that. Make sure you install and update the latest version of CapCut on your device and then tap on template option. Tap on any video that you want to save. After that you will see there are three horizontal dots on here. Tap on this and you will see the option of save right aside of report problem. When you tap on the save option, the video will be simply saved on your mobile gallery. And also you can save the video that you have edited on your CapCut to your gallery as well. Tap on the edit option and then tap on the project that you want to edit. After tapping on that project, editing it all, on the top right side, you will see there is the option of share kind of there. When you tap on this, the edited video also be saved on your gallery. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe and comment on our video.